Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will discuss a topic relevant to us, life. People often say life is like a game, but have you ever wondered how to beat it and come out on top? In this video, I'm going to share 10 ways that you can beat the game of life and win. So, let's get started. 1. Set clear goals. Just like in any game, you need a clear objective. What do you want to achieve? What are your dreams? Setting clear goals can give you direction and motivation to keep going. 2. Work hard. Winning any game requires hard work and dedication. Life is no different. To succeed, you must put in the effort and work hard. 3. Learn from failure. In every game, you're bound to fail at some point. The same goes for life. But the key to winning is to learn from your failures and use them as stepping stones to success. 4. Be persistent. Winning at anything requires persistence. It would be best to keep pushing forward, even when things get tough. Remember, success doesn't come overnight. 5. Surround yourself with positive people. In any game, having a supportive team can make all the difference. The same goes for life. Surround yourself with positive people who lift you and support your goals. 6. Take calculated risks. Sometimes, you need to take risks in a game to win. The same goes for life. But don't just jump into things blindly. Take calculated risks, weigh the pros and cons, and make informed decisions. 7. Keep learning. Like in any game, you need to keep learning and growing. Take courses, read books, attend seminars, and never stop expanding your knowledge and skills. 8. Stay focused. In a game, and it's easy to get distracted by the noise and the chaos around you. The same goes for life. Stay focused on your goals, and don't let distractions derail you. 9. Stay healthy. You must care for yourself in any game to perform at your best. The same goes for life. Eat well, exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and manage your mental health. 10. Enjoy the journey. Winning a game is great, but the journey matters. The same goes for life. Enjoy the ups and downs, the twists and turns, and the challenges along the way. And there you have it, folks. 10 ways to beat the game of life and win. Life is a game, but it's not about winning or losing. It's about playing the game to the best of your ability, enjoying the journey, and making the most of every moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.